How to block pop-ups in Google Chrome. If you are tired of annoying pop-ups while browsing, here's how to block pop-ups in Google Chrome. Quick and easy. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome browser on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Sites Settings. Step 4. Tap Pop-ups and redirect. Step 5. Make sure the toggle is set to block. It should be gray, not blue. This will stop most sites from opening unwanted pop-ups windows or redirects. Also, check ads under site settings and make sure it's set to block intrusive ads. And that's it. You've just blocked pops up in Chrome. Now, you can browse with fewer interruptions and more peace of mind.